Hi guys, hindi pa ako nakapag-post about our family's US trip this year. 1 month kasi kami doon, ang daming ganap, ang hirap i-organize ng files. It was the fastest 1 month of my life. Let's start sa US tourist visa interview. We applied as a family for a US visa and yung interview namin happened last January 2024 and here are the questions that were asked. Una, where in the US? Second, do you have relatives there? Iba-iba yung opinion sa mga tao kung anong isasagot sa question na to, but we opted to tell the truth. Hello, halos 70% yata ng kamag-anak namin nasa US na. And isang search lang talaga ng consul doon, madali nilang malalaman. So for me, opinion ko lang, better tell the truth na lang. Third, yung asawa ko naman yung tinanong ng consul, "What's your job, sir?" Siya kasi yung breadwinner ng family namin. At ito na, fourth, what countries have you visited? Dito ka na-realize na parang importante pala na naka-travel ka na before you apply for a US visa. Kahit mga Asian countries lang. It's not necessary, but it helps build yung capability mo na maka-travel sa US. Next question, who will pay for your trip? Of course, dapat confidently masasabi mo, I will. Siyempre kung kaya mo naman talaga better to kasi hindi ka nahihinga ng maraming papers. Pero if you have a sponsor, be ready na lang for all the documents na pwedeng hingin. At last question, ako naman yung tinanong, how about you ma'am? What do you do? Tapos ang tagal nag-type nung consul, kinabahan kami kasing mga 5 minutes yata yun. Then after 5 minutes, sinabi niya, "Congratulations, your visas are approved." Wow, saya-saya. Grabe, yung mga questions na yun, yung mga basic questions na nababasa ko lang sa mga forums na talagang tinatanong ng mga consul. Grabe, napa-thank you Lord talaga ako. Short story lang, yung buong family ko kasi nag-migrate sa US mga a year after I graduated from college. I applied for a US tourist visa twice and twice din ako na-deny, my gosh. Yung una yung pinakamasakit kasi mamamatay na yung mom ko and I really wanted to see her but I got denied. So, nung na-deny ako nung second time, sabi ko maybe it's not for me. Kaya I moved on. Hindi na ako nag-attempt mag-apply ulit. Then got married and had kids. Kaso, pandemic time, yung dad ko naman yung namatay. Kaya, napag-usapan namin ng hobby ko, sige, let's try one more time. Siyempre gusto ko rin makita yung mga siblings ko, dalawa sa kanila, grabe. 23 years kami hindi nagkita and I want my kids to meet them and their cousins, 'di ba? So, natagalan man, at least nag-grant na ni Lord at the right time yung matagal ko nang wini-wish. Yung mabisita yung grave nung mom and dad ko. And syempre, makita ko ulit, maging complete ulit kami ng mga kapatid ko. Yun lang, lakasan lang natin yung loob natin and prayers. Bye!